Hello, this tutorial will help you understand the concept of Bundle Upsell, its purpose, its uses, and how to set it up. Let's begin with the setup of Bundle Upsell. Bundle Upsell is a feature designed to increase traffic to the bundle page, enhance our average order value, AOV, and generate more revenue through bundles. The aim is to encourage more customers to purchase the bundle when they visit an individual product page. Essentially, it's about upselling the bundle on individual product pages with the goal of driving a higher average order value, AOV. This strategy encourages customers to choose bundles over individual products, ultimately leading to increased revenue. Let's start by enabling the Bundle Upsell toggle. We have two options for presenting the Bundle Upsell. The first is to display a widget on individual product pages that says Bundle and Save. When customers click on this button, they are redirected to the bundle page where they can proceed with their bundle purchase. The second option is to provide a button that, when clicked, also redirects customers to the bundle page. Here, customers can add their bundle to the cart and proceed with their purchase. These methods, the widget or the offer button, can be placed on multiple individual product pages and serve as upsell opportunities for the bundle. If we choose the widget option, we can customize the text description and button text and add an image. We then have the option to decide where we want to place the widget, on all products in the bundle or on select ones. The widget is designed to be placed on the individual product detail page, PDP, of all products included in the bundle. This could mean specific products across the store or perhaps certain collections, if any. For now, we will focus on all products within the bundle. This button also has customizable settings, including the text and its display location. The widget placement is automated. After saving these settings, we can return to the bundle. Upon refreshing the page, we see the bundle on the parent product page, where it has been automatically placed. If we navigate to the individual product page, a button appears with the text, Buy a Bundle and Save. Clicking this button will redirect us to the bundle parent product page, where the product can be added to the cart. To place the widget, we select the widget and save. The system will prompt us to upload an image. After uploading an image and saving, we can return to the individual product page. Upon refreshing, the button transforms into a widget, specifically an upsell widget. This widget can be seen on the product page for the teddy bear. Clicking on the widget will redirect us to the bundle parent product page where we can proceed with our purchase. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.